You know that feeling, right? When you're trying to get a project done and you're juggling like 5 different apps, one for video, one for audio, another for your presentation slides. It's just chaos. Well, today we're going to look at a single, mysterious AI tool that promises to fix all of that. Let's dive in.
I mean, just think about it for a second. What if one tool could do all of that? Not just edit stuff, but actually create it from scratch. We're talking about generating video, making interactive audio, building out quizzes, and designing whole presentations, all from one spot. So how on earth could that even work?
All right, so our first section here is called Ek Tool Anek Gam, which is Hindi for one tool, many tasks. And that name really gets to the heart of what this platform is all about. It's about putting everything you need in one place.
Think of all the digital clutter you deal with every single day. You've got your video editor, maybe a different app for flashcards, and of course, something else for your slide decks. The whole idea behind this tool is to get rid of that constant app switching. It's about having one home for all of those jobs.
So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How does it actually do all this? We'll start with the really cool stuff in this section, video or interactive audio, or video and interactive audio. This is where the tool starts to feel a little bit like magic.
Now, here's the key thing to remember. This isn't just an editor, it's a generator. You can literally feed it a script or just an idea, and poof, it creates a video for you. Same goes for audio. It can produce this really high-quality, almost podcast-level sound, but it's that audio feature that has a secret weapon.
And here it is, interactive audio. This is a real game changer. See, we're all used to just pressing play and listening, right? It's a one-way street. But this tool makes it a conversation. For example, you could be listening to a lecture it made about quantum physics, and you could actually pause and ask, "Hey, can you explain Schrodinger's cat in simpler terms?" And it would just do it right on the spot. It turns listening into a totally active experience.
But it doesn't stop with media. This tool is also designed to be an absolute powerhouse for education. Which brings us to our next section, Seekhne or Sikhane ke features, which means features for learning and teaching. And trust me, it is jam-packed with goodies for students and teachers.
For anyone studying, this is like having a complete study kit in your pocket. You can just dump in your class notes, and it'll instantly spit out flashcards and practice quizzes. Or if you're deep into a research project, it can create maps, infographics full of data, or even these intricate mind maps to help you connect all the dots.
This quote really says it all. A full package where you can fulfill any requirement. That's the big ambition here. It's not about just offering a few random features. The goal is to create a whole ecosystem where you can get pretty much any creative or school-related task done without ever having to open another program. Okay, let's switch gears and talk business, or, professional stuff. In this section, presentations and reports, we get to see how this tool wants to make all that boring office and academic work way easier.
The whole workflow is just built for speed. So you could upload some raw data, like a spreadsheet with sales numbers. From that, the tool can create these nicely structured, detailed reports. And then, this is the best part, with just another click, it can take that report and turn it into a fully designed, professional-looking presentation. You go from raw numbers to a finished deck in literally minutes.
So let's just pull all of this together. What are we looking at? It's a single platform that can generate video, create interactive audio, act as a complete study buddy, write up detailed reports, and build professional presentations. It is the literal definition of an all-in-one tool. The platform we've been breaking down is called CogniSuite AI.
Just let that sink in. We just walked through more than 9 huge, distinct features, everything from making videos to mind mapping, and it's all inside this one thing, CogniSuite AI. When you put all of that together, you're not just saving a ton of time, you're probably saving hundreds of dollars on all those separate app subscriptions.
And that brings us to the big final question. The slide asks, "Ye kaun sa tool hai?" which means, what is this tool? But now that we know the name is CogniSuite AI, the real question isn't just what it is, it's about what it means.
So what is this tool, really? We've seen how CogniSuite AI can be a creator, a teacher, and a professional assistant all rolled into one. And that's a huge shift. The question isn't about which app to use for which task anymore. The real question is how we're going to use these incredibly powerful all-in-one platforms to be more creative and more productive. The era of the all-in-one AI tool is definitely here. So, what will you build with it?